Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have the game's files accessible and a backup ready. You should enable view of hidden folders and obtain File Manager or PC tool. Once done, navigate to the game's Sound or Assets folder where the First Blood audio is stored. Make sure to note the exact file name and format. You'll need an audio editor compatible with the format. Make a copy of the original sound file now, because restoring is faster than troubleshooting later. Also check game version compatibility. You'll open the copied file in your audio editor and confirm sample rate and channels match the game's requirements. Trim or replace only the audio region that contains First Blood cue. Keep volume normalization consistent. Export using the exact file name and format. When exporting, overwrite the copy in a separate test folder first. Once exported, validate playback locally. If timing or clipping occurs, adjust fades or bit depth, because subtle format mismatches break in-game triggers. Also document any changes so you can replicate or reverse them quickly. Now move the new sound into the game's Active Assets folder, replacing the original only after confirming backups exist. Restart the game or reload assets as required. Some games need a full restart to register new audio. Immediately trigger a First Blood event to test timing, volume, and loop behavior. If the sound fails, clear cache and try again, or revert to your backup. One key troubleshooting tip: check file name, format, and metadata. Mismatched metadata is the most common silent failure. Also test on multiplayer server if relevant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.